To meet the demands of today's rapidly evolving marketplace, you need leaner machines that are more dynamic and flexible than ever before. On-machine solutions from Rockwell Automation help you streamline machine design, accelerate installation, and reduce commissioning risks, while lowering the total system cost and improving your productivity. We make it easier to design, build, and maintain industrial equipment by putting key devices at the point of operation, giving you the features and capabilities of a traditional control cabinet on the machine. Imagine saving 30% or more on overall startup costs and deploying machines faster. With on-machine design, you can. Fewer parts mean it's faster to build. Plug-and-play components speeds installation and reduces errors. And easy access to these components allows for faster maintenance when required. Our approach takes hardware and cabling out of the control cabinet and integrates it into rugged, compact machine-mounted devices, reducing the amount of hardware, wiring, and size of enclosures, opening more space on the plant floor. Shrinking the control cabinet can also cut down on the equipment required to cool it, conserving energy. Beyond all of this, only Rockwell Automation delivers a premier integration experience that consolidates controller programming, device configuration, machine operation, and maintenance into one user-friendly software environment. Seamless integration with our control architecture provides contextual information that supports diagnostics, troubleshooting, and performance tracking that helps reduce unplanned downtime. This visibility also enables more efficient maintenance during scheduled shutdowns. On-machine solutions allow you to replace modules faster and more easily, reducing the mean time to repair. Our comprehensive portfolio also makes operations more resilient with integrated safety and security that helps protect equipment from malicious communications. And as operations expand or needs change, a modular on-machine design allows for quick, easy machine changes with minimal impact on production schedules. Achieve new levels of productivity with on-machine solutions and experience the simplicity of integration. Available only from Rockwell Automation.